Welcome to Learning Arabic Made Easy. Arabic alphabet, letters with Kasra. In this video, we will practice the alphabet pronunciation with the short vowel Kasra. Kasra is a diagonal stroke written below the letter, which precedes it in pronunciation. It is equivalent to the short vowel E in English. As I mentioned in my previous videos, Alif doesn't take any short vowels in Arabic. Letters with Kasra: B, T, C, G, H, X, D, V, R, Z, C, Sh, C, D, T, D, I, G, F, Q, K, L, M, N, H, W, Y, E. Let's practice. I read, you repeat after me. B, T, C, G, H, X, D, V, R, Z, C, Sh, C, D, T, V, I, G, F, Q, K, L, M, N, H, W, Y, E. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay up to date with my latest videos.